prognosis.
Dude. Ouch! Oh.
I'm completely out of ideas. It has finally happened. So what do you do when you're completely out of ideas? You go to your audience. And I found this amazing comment right here. Shout out late 20s skateboarder. He says, can you solidify a pair of shoes in square blocks of concrete and try to skate them? And then I responded and said, yes, heart. So leave it in the comments below. If you guys have a great idea, we want to hear about it. So then I decided, how could I actually make this? I went to my garage and I got this pair of shoes and I got these 2 shoe boxes. And then I quickly searched up on the internet, can cardboard boxes hold concrete? And I got varying agreement, disagreement from the internet on that. Some people are saying yes, others are saying no, and I'm saying I don't know. So we're gonna go to Home Depot. And here's my idea. We mix some concrete, which I think we just get a bag of Quickcrete, but I'm sure somebody in the comments knows really well how to work concrete, and I'm sure you're gonna say, Aaron, you are not the smartest tool in the shed. So then we're gonna put the shoe in there, and hopefully it's gonna solidify so we can wear the shoe, take the cardboard off, and it's gonna be concrete blocks, and then we're gonna skateboard. Isn't that a brilliant idea? You guys have the best ideas, and that's why I love you. So if you have another idea, leave it in the comments below. I wonder how many times during this video I will say that. Okay, let's go. Home Depot, the best place in the world. We made it. Home Depot, the greatest place in the world. If you've never been to Home Depot, I'm sorry. Okay, so we're here to find concrete. Do I need to get a bucket? We do have like a garbage can, but is that too much? $4.99. You want to be on the YouTube?
Well, if you must know, my name is Max Stories. You can search me up on YouTube at Max Stories, pound Max Stories. I have 3 videos on there, but other than that, I'm still gonna shout out my neighborhood.
You gotta hit us with a dance or something.
What a dance.
Well, what do you do, Max Stories?
Do music videos and help out my neighborhood. Concrete is on the next side.
Yeah, so this is my idea. Do you think this will work? I got a shoe box, and I just put the concrete in the shoe box and put the shoe in there. Is that gonna work?
Probably.
You just waited so long, I wasn't sure about it. Quickcrete, right? This. Oh, sets in 30 minutes. I should probably put the shoe in there with my foot in there, no?
You got a mojo foot too? How'd you put the paper in there?
Is this really right? It feels like it's already set. Sets hard in 20 to 40 minutes. Okay, that's good. You can follow me on TikTok.
Is your TikTok popping?
Yeah, I got hella dances. I think I need 2 of these, right? Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Boy. 14, we're looking about 20 bucks. 20 bucks for concrete shoes is not bad.
That's cheaper than a normal pair of shoes.
True. If you guys would buy concrete shoes, leave it in the comments below.
I'd buy them.
Okay, I'm gonna check one more thing, and that is for those magnets.
Oh, secret magnet video?
Secret magnet video. Although, whoever's editing this, you probably gotta cut this out. Or maybe don't. Okay, $20.38 for Quickcrete concrete shoes. I guess the only thing we need now is water.
You know, I've noticed that to you, everything's a skateboard.
Because it is. I lost my car, now there it is. Found it. Quickcrete in the back seat. Maybe we should have got one of those tools that you use to smooth it out.
We can use our hands.
Can we? See, the thing about these videos is 2 parts. One part, can you build it? That's sometimes the most interesting / terrifying / difficult part. Second part, can you skate it? Okay, so we have arrived back to the Braille house. Now it's time to get this party started. Bucket, Quickcrete, shoes. We gotta solve water.
We're making concrete shoes.
Why are we making concrete shoes still? I don't get it.
This is from late 20s skateboarder. He says, can you solidify a pair of shoes in square blocks of concrete and try to skate them? And I said, yes.
Say less.
I mean, what?
Okay. That's all I needed to see. Thank you.
We're golden. I mean, who decided that we needed one of these?
I don't know. That looks very bendable.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a brain in there, huh?
Size of a pea.
Have you ever made concrete before?
Yeah.
Have you?
I have.
Can you teach us?
No.
Oh, okay.
Never built a concrete house, but today's a new day.
I wonder if is concrete cheaper than wood now?
Dang it! My pants! I tell you, brand new Geiger pants. Honestly, when I watched the tutorial, this is not how you're supposed to do it.
That's my boy right there.
Dang it, bro! Video actually know how to use concrete. Please leave it in the comments below if I'm just butchering this.
I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to use concrete in the comment section.
And they're all better than me at everything. On the tutorial, the guy had a wheelbarrow. He said the wheelbarrow's the best way to do the concrete.
Is that what he sounded like?
Now he had the most soothing voice I've ever heard. The comments were hilarious. Thank you. I just fell asleep to concrete. I was like, today we're gonna teach you how to make concrete. Crispy McNugget. It's your boy Crispy McNugget, and today we're gonna read bedtime stories again. Dude, actually, why don't we just do a look at that?
That looks sick, bro.
Be careful. Stand back, maybe.
We don't need no hesitation.
Looks like that one time I had that bad meal at Denny's.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to walk in these.
What do you mean? Not only are we gonna walk, I think the challenge with this is to do a kickflip, no? Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because he's laughing. That could be very sad.
I know. Now where's that piece of metal you were talking smack about?
Whoa, that's a concrete shoe.
I think that's pretty good.
Is it just gonna be a square though? Like,
Yeah. I mean, that was the idea.
okay, dude.
What do you mean? You wanted to shape it out?
We're gonna kickflip with that?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I want to see how far I can swim in the ocean with those on.
Oh no, I think we messed it up. I don't know how, but something happened.
After watching it, I was sad.
Chris, go get me some more water. So I think the one was too watery and the second one was not watery enough. That's my immediate prognosis.
This is looking good.
Dude, that is looking so good.
Slow-mo.
That one seems like actual concrete and this one's just rock.
What is concrete?
Just a bunch of minerals, and then you use water, and they become a conglomerate.
Mmm.
Go get the duct tape. Where's the duct tape at?
This one might not be a square at all. Oh no. No good. How does that one work so well? Okay, this was not looking good before, and look at it now. Actually, it looks like it's coming together. Okay, well, I knew I should have got a shovel. Let's come back in 40 minutes. And here we are at the beautiful, lovely Fremont Skate Park, and look what we got. Look at how well that cured up. So some parts of it still look a little wet. I mean, we're talking, this is like 4 or 5 days. And on the bag of concrete, it said it takes 20 to 40 minutes to dry. So this should be dry. I'm a little nervous that these are gonna just break and just fly all over Fremont Skate Park. You got a broom?
This is like a really sick half a year later April Fool's joke.
Oh no, see, he just barely set it down. Look, boy already made a break.
Uh-oh.
May or may not have done that earlier myself.
Oh my gosh.
That's looking good, no?
This is something else.
And this box didn't hold up as well as that one. Oh yeah, that was good.
Wow. Man, this one, well done.
No, thank you. I had 2 shoe boxes. This one was definitely the more solid of the. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh!
Come on, tell me I didn't make a really good concrete shoe.
Man.
That one, yeah, that one's questionable.
Yeah, this one is questionable. Why is that?
I'm pretty sure this one's for sure gonna crumble.
Why?
This
So
one's
tell
gonna-
me what I did wrong here.
You did these?
Yeah,
I don't. How long did you let them set for?
5 days.
I know what you did wrong. This one you used the top of the shoebox, and this one's the good shoebox.
Same style of shoe box, 2 different shoe boxes.
Then why is this one wider and lower?
Yeah.
Because it somehow smushed down. Okay, I'm
I
gonna
think
put
someone
these bad
could
boys
make it
on.
for us. We should ask someone to make it.
Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Please make us some concrete shoes and send them in the mail. UPS will be proud of you. The real question is, who can kickflip this?
Those look solid.
Super comfy, to be honest, yeah. Wow. Would you take these to the club?
Absolutely.
Where's Glow when you need the club vibes?
The moment you,
What, fall?
as soon as you stop, you're just gonna go. I feel like they're gonna last maybe 5 minutes.
You think? That's why I asked you if it had the broom, because if it crumbles concrete all over the place, we gotta clean it up. We gotta be good neighbors out here at Fremont. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. This is not a sponsored post. All right, let's see how this is gonna work.
Wait, you're gonna walk in them?
Oh, dude.
Why do you think it's so fragile? Pure concrete.
I know, but there's no metal wiring.
Ow, definitely hurts my foot.
Oh. Oh.
All right, Mowgli, give me a push.
Nice, I got you.
Oh! Ah! Oh no, we left a little. We gotta get to good ground.
Oh, it's crumbling everywhere. It's crumbling everywhere.
Mowgli, the broom.
Drop in.
Just go straight for the drop in.
No way.
Lucy, go get the broom!
Send him to the snake run.
No. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Which one?
Wait. It's good. No, it's good.
I told you! Oh my! I told you that one was getting demolished.
Damage report.
It feels so good after it broke. Dang it.
Dude, you are going to body so many people.
All of that work for nothing.
Let me get over
The friends of the Fremont Skate Park are not going to be happy with you today.
No, they're not. I'm sorry, friends. Whoa.
Dude, you hear how it sounds? Wait, no, I want to see you go over the rainbow.
How?
Oh my God. Aaron, I'm just watching people just go right through you. All the rocks are leaving.
Okay, this one, I think I gotta get it out. Oh yeah, that feels so much better. Ouch! Ow, the ankles.
Oh!
Why is this one so solid and that one sucked?
Man down. How's it feeling? Ankle getting tired?
Yeah, feeling pretty good though, to be honest.
Oh! Uzi, can you push him up the bank?
Yeah, gonna mess up.
He's leaving destruction in his wake.
Everywhere.
No.
Would you put these shoes on and jump in a river?
Don't call it a comeback. So much safer with just the one.
Wow. I think you might be the world's premier concrete shoe skater.
I actually think I'm the world's best. Down, up, up, over the rainbow.
Oh.
First try?
Let me meet you down there. Here we go, the rainbow challenge. Come on, pump it. Pump up the jam. Yeah. Oh no. All right, that was amazing, but let me just throw something out there.
Throw it out.
If you could drop in on a glass skateboard, you could drop in on this.
No.
Dude, you
Might be stupid, but I ain't crazy. Let's do some tricks though. Oh, it hurts the top of my foot so bad. Think that's possible?
I think so. You just gotta like lift the front foot up really fast and then hopefully it just stays in the air long enough.
Mowgli, what size of feet you got? I thought for sure we could kickflip these.
Give me them shoes.
I warn you, it's a lot of pain right up in here.
I bet it is.
Nigel experiences that on a daily basis anyways.
Yep, falling apart catastrophically.
Right here.
Oh.
It's as though it's concrete on top of your foot.
It do.
Oh my God.
How much does that weigh, Nigel?
15 pounds?
Don't drop it, but that might be like 15, 20 pounds, yeah.
What's the name? The name for the model?
Hey, I got him.
They're the Creek Creepers.
The creepers? Call them the creep. Come on.
How'd you get your foot in here?
Come on, get him in there.
Put on that. Hey, put on that Creek.
Get him in there.
I don't think I can.
Yes.
Finally! Oh, this hurts! Oh, it's in, but it hurts!
Oh.
I should have never agreed to this.
Yeah, when I said Nigel drop in, you were like, okay.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
And I said, do not.
I just almost pulled my hip out of its socket.
Come on.
I love how they're like, oh no, it's maybe like 15 pounds. Then you put it on and you think 25 pounds. It's a 50-pound bag of concrete split into 2 shoes. Do the math, 25 pounds.
Oh, there we go. All right, now can you get it up?
Oh! Ow! Come here.
Calling in reinforcements.
Ready?
Oh!
Hi, I got a lead foot.
Nigel, that's
I want to
actually...
do this one, but I'm not going to stop, so it only makes sense to go over there. No. It only makes sense. Wait, hold on.
Oh, yeah, you're set.
Oh, yeah, we're good.
Yeah, you got the big ball in that.
No, don't.
Be safe, Nigel. Be safe. Oh my God!
Dude, never try this.
Do you have any final words on behalf of
Yeah,
Nigel?
don't do it.
It's so heavy. Oh my God.
It does look kind of steezy though, doesn't it? You gotta go get him.
You missed the snake run.
I know, go do it again.
I almost fell. No, don't push. Do not push me backwards. Let me tell you something. All right, I'm going to try Ollie.
Ollie?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
More
God.
drag on the foot. You're good.
Oh, my
that
hip.
went nowhere.
My hip.
Shove it maybe, I think is the ticket.
All right, shove it.
I think Mowgli has it because he's size 8.
Mo.
2 sizes down. Size 8?
You going for it, Mo?
So you're saying the concrete shoes run small?
Yeah. If you're gonna buy the concrete shoes on the internet, you might want to go like 1 or 2 sizes down.
This just feels uncomfortable. Feels like I'm on one step and then I'm down. Now I'm tall.
$10 Venmo on the shove it, first try.
Exactly.
All right, Mo. Shove, first try. You think it's possible?
Just please, yeah, he almost did it first try.
Full commit.
I tried, but it's so heavy that it's like this leg is too fast and
but
this is
no
so
matter
slow.
what, right here, full commit. Oh! Hey, but did you feel the primo though?
There is no right answer.
What does that mean?
You're really messing up my grip tape. Where's he going? Go Frankenstone.
Where you going, Mo?
Rolling off the drop.
He knows what he's getting himself into.
Oh!
He actually did that.
Not good enough.
Mowgli, what are the odds you send the 5s there?
I have too much to go on to sacrifice that.
Indeed.
Oh, the
Fantastic
ankle.
slap work right there.
The ankle.
See, and then crook it.
Get a little lax.
Get a little lax.
Nose
Do
bump.
your trick.
Leg sideways.
To be honest, this is like a whole new dimension of skating I never even thought of.
I think the literal next video is 100% human ledge.
Hey, now do it to his shin. Oh no!
Uzi, get away from that.
You said you can't go down the 5, but you're gonna let Uzi skate your leg?
Send that back tail.
Oh no, I don't like this. I don't like this.
Like I just became a skate spot.
Wow.
I've never been
People will always ask, how are the skate spots? But never, how are the skate spots?
Okay, this is awkward.
Now you gotta do a trick, Mo.
That felt weird on the left one, and the left one has nothing. Okay, we need to do that shove.
I thought for sure we had the kickflip.
That would have counted.
First try.
That sucks!
I've never seen Mowgli more passionate about any trick he's ever done.
That was heavy.
I feel like, have you ever seen Space Jam when they get locked up to the ball and they can't play basketball? You've never seen Space Jam? Don't. You're a basketball fan, you've never seen Space. Roast them.
Before my time. Wow! How good did that feel?
Chilling.
That was a step in the right direction.
Wow, one small step for mankind, one small step for man. Wait, now for the moment you've all been waiting for.
Oh wow, look at that.
Some archaeologist is gonna find this and go, ooh, Vans. No, that is crazy.
Well,
Now you,
That's all she wrote.
you can go on the Braille skate site and buy these shoes for a low price of $64.99. Go and grab these at brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need.
And get your concrete on.
You should sell those.
All right, what crazy combination should we make next? I got an idea, but I want to know all of your ideas in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're having a blast making videos just like this for you, and we're out here to push skateboarding, to get more people into the sport of skateboarding, and we want to create a whole community of people that are welcoming new skaters in. So get your skateboard, get out there, and help a brand new person learn some tricks. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.